Alright, I don't know about you guys, but if you've watched my last several videos, we've done nothing but rim cylinders and mortise cylinders. So I thought it'd be about time to try something new. And I have a Stanley lock that I bought down in South America. I think they're made in the United States, but I haven't seen them in the United States. So it's a laminated steel body, and then it has a aluminum base and a removable aluminum shroud. If you take that out, that's actually the hasp screw. I've disassembled it when I first got it just to see how it was done, and it's quite difficult to both take it apart and to reassemble it. But there's the nut from the bottom. It has a spinner plate as a counter drill measure, so not a badly constructed lock. Let's see if we can. Well, it does work. It's brand new. And here's the bitting on the key. Really cool key. See, it's got the Stanley. This is all solid plastic, kind of like a mul-t-lok. Real solid, multicolored, real nice. And it's got a code on it. I don't think that's a direct code. I think that you probably have to go to a Stanley dealer to give them that to have a new key made. But anyway, let's see if we can pick this thing. Let me zoom just a little to give you a little bit better view. Okay, try this. And I'm going to try a 23 thousandths because when I looked at this keyway, there's kind of an angle that you have to go around there. So my favorite thickness is the 31 thousandths. It gives me the best feedback, but I didn't think I'd be able to get it around this tight warding. Anyway, a little bit of pressure, and let's see if we can get this thing to cooperate with us. There's a lot of spring tension on these pins I can feel, and there's not a lot of core rotation as I think I'm setting the pins. I'm getting about 2 or 3 pins binding at the same time, it seems like, so that would indicate to me at least that it's pretty tight tolerance in manufacture. I haven't had any indication of security pins yet, though. No fault set. Can't quite get on that first pin because of the angle here. Yeah, that warding doesn't like you to get that first pin. Let me see if I can get on him though. Come on. Tempted to leave him alone. Except I think he's the one. All the others are springy, so I just absolutely have to figure out some way to get my pick on him. Well, there we go. Open Stanley 6-pin laminated shrouded padlock. Not too difficult. No security pins whatsoever that I'm able to detect. They're all seem to be all standard pins. So there you go. Everybody stay safe and stay legal.